we present to you the CITAM Missions track on set. Please enjoy this video and seeing how everything is set up at the touch of a button. Of course, we start off with the roof, as you can see. Then we go to the stage. And that's our guy playing with the remote. Of course, that's the technical team putting everything together. This task itself is about 2 hours, so it's not an easy job, but let's wait and see what we'll have in the end. So we have the rest of the equipment, we have the monitors, we have the speakers, we have the stage lights that you'll see being set up in just a bit. The majamas, they are trying the staircase to ensure safety as people go up. And that has been our banner, as we said, and Thika shall be saved. Appreciation to all our guest speakers and our guest artists for gracing this outreach. Pastor Pius pale, majamaa wanabeba. Teamwork really helps. They're able to do this together as a team. We have our missions pastor there helping set up the lights. That's Pastor Michael Salwa. Thank you very much for watching.